Welcome to Tech Anime. We will discuss the top European tech alternatives for US tech products. Mailfence, Belgium, for Gmail. Top features of Mailfence. Data stays in Belgium, far from invasive US laws. Supports open PGP encryption and password-protected messages. No ads, trackers, or backdoors. Quant, France, for Google search. Top features of Quant. Uses its own indexing technology, avoiding reliance on US-based search platforms. Integrated Quant maps and music to reduce Google dependencies further. Interfaces built for children and schools. Cryptpad, France, for Google Docs. Top features of Cryptpad. Zero-knowledge architecture. Even server admins can't read your content. Real-time collaboration without tracking. Open source and free to use with paid storage upgrades. Mailfence Documents, Belgium, for Google Drive. Top features of Mailfence Documents. Located in Belgium and protected by strict GDPR compliance. Files are stored on Mailfence's own infrastructure, never shared with third parties. Includes folder sharing, access control, and version history. Galaxus, Switzerland, for Amazon. Top features of Galaxus. No aggressive tracking or profiling. Transparent product reviews and editorial content. Swiss precision in customer service and logistics. Vivaldi, Norway, Iceland, for Google Chrome. Top features of Vivaldi. Built-in ad tracker blocker and zero telemetry. Syncs data using end-to-end encryption. Highly customizable UI and workflow features. Olvid, France, for WhatsApp. Top features of Olvid. It's based on a patented cryptographic protocol. No central server authentication, resilient against man-in-the-middle attacks. Suitable for businesses and governments. Whereby, Norway, for Zoom. Top features of Whereby. No downloads or installations needed. GDPR compliant, with data stored in Europe. Simple yet effective video meetings. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.